Hello everybody, and in this video we're going to continue our overview of the palettes. At the end of the last video I kind of went over basic edited versus advanced edited features. So when I click that for basic, you get the note input tools, you get the note value durations, you get tie, you get rest, you get sharp, natural, flat, flip direction of an articulation, voice 1, voice 2, voice 3, and voice 4. When you select advanced edited, you get a ton more. So you get not only this and all of these, you actually get dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, quadruple augmentation dot, which I haven't seen in a lot of scores, but apparently that is an option. Your ties, your rest, your double sharp, that's a new one. Single sharp, natural, flat, double flat. And then you've got your flip direction of articulations right here, and you have your layer 1, voice 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are on that toolbar. If we go back to basic edited, this top toolbar right here, you notice it doesn't change. And you could change all of these different settings. I usually just have it on page view. That's just what I like. I can go over that more in a different section or a different set of videos. But yeah, once you do basic edited, it's just basic commands. Advanced edited, of course, you have the full gamut of what they offer. So you've got all of your new open save, export, print, view, zoom, MIDI functions, all of that stuff. So you have all of that on there. And then let's say if you want to find palette, go to view palettes. Now this is going to give me the whatever palette that I had. It's kind of a review of the last lecture. But whenever you want to do more, you click View Master Palette, Shift F9. So what that does, you have the little palette and then you have the master palette. And what this has is, you know, all your clefs, all different clefs, doesn't matter which one you choose, all your different key signatures that are possible. You can even say, okay, I want this key signature for this thing, natural flat, or I want this to be a quarter tone sharp, you know, quarter tone double sharp, quarter tone double flat in the key signature. And yes, there are key signatures like that. Not used very much, but they are used. So these are all different articulations, all different key signature things you can do that are not in the regular palette. You of course have your sharp keys, all your flat keys, and your no sharp or no flat, open, C major, A minor, or a tonal. So you've got all of that. Then you have your time signatures. Now time signatures, you have, you know, the standard 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6 4 3 8 6 8 9 8 7 8 12 8, common time, cut time 2 2 3 2, so on and so forth. You can also write cut time as 2 with a line through it. You can also write this one would be triple time, or cut into thirds, cut triple time, which would be sort of like 9/8. It's another way of writing 9/8. And then 12/8 is like the eighth note equivalent of 4/4 time. Or if you wanted to, you can make your own time signatures. Now here, let's say we want to go, I'm going to go 15. And I've seen some scores that have 15/8 in their time signatures. But I can actually say, okay, I want this to have 2 plus ... whatever ones, it's going to be 2 plus 13, all in one set. Or I'm going to do, 30 16th notes all in one set. Or, double that, 60 32nd notes all in one set. Or you can, make the beam properties different. All you have to do is click it and it will actually show you, different things. You can unhook things. If I wanted to really go 1 2 1 2 1 2 3, I could do that. So 1 2 1 2, and then I'm going to cut it. See on this top one. And then 1 2 1 2 1 2 3, and then cut. So the first note of the new section you always cut. And then 1 2 3, cut. 1 2 3, cut. So I can actually make the time signature and the beat groupings that I want when I create this. So I've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So I've got 2. If you had a composite time signature, it would be 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 over 8. And you can actually do that. You can say, okay, I'm going to add this time signature, and it will add the time signature to the master palette. Wondering what, I'm always a fan of trying to figure out like composite time signatures, like 3 plus 2 over 8. Voila! Making composite time signatures. This is how you do it. Under this text thing here, I'm going to just play around with this a little. 3 plus 2 over 8 would be 5. But you can change what the text says. You can either have 5 8 1 2 3 1 2, count it as, or you can have 3 plus 2 over 8. So when you do the composite time signatures, one thing you have to be aware of is the composite time signature actually shows you the beat groupings and how the composer wants the different notes to be grouped, and how they want the rhythm counted. 1 2 3 4 5 is the simplest one. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 is 1 2 plus 3, or 3 plus 2 1 2 3 1 2. You can have that too. All right. So what if I had, I'm going to bring this down to 4 8. Instead of 3 plus 2, I'm going to go 4 plus 4. All I have to do is write it within the text boxes here. I write it in this text box right here, and I say, okay, 4 plus 4 over 8. So if I do that, that would be like saying 8, 8. See, you can make the text say anything you want to, but let's say I want to make the time signature, you know, the same as it would say here. 4 plus 4 is 8 over 8. So here would be 8, 8, you know. Okay? So that's how you mess with time signatures. You can add to your heart's content. I mean, it's really easy to add new time signatures in. You know, 13, 8. You can get rid of all the text if you just wanted 13, 8 on the button. I mean, you can add that too. You just click add. Here, it talks about bean properties. And I think I should try to do that in the next video because this one's already long enough. But I will get to more of this in the next few videos, so stay tuned.